In any political party, it is essential to focus on our own resolution and agendas. When one finds themselves scrutinizing the agendas of other parties while neglecting the issues within their own, a significant problem arises, indicating a failure to self-reflect. Sanapena mashuku ari kuno kwakunze vakomana vekumabvuku tafara kunotungamirirwa naScott Sakupwanya Mozauti is one of the people who are mentioned, but they are funneling state funds panguva ine ndoti subscribe like on the bell icon vachipindura matax anyasi kunokonza ati director una vp konsano Chiwenga kumudani kwamchinzi as the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front ZANU-PF. We take pride in our well-defined resolutions as the largest political party in the nation. Our policies may even perplex our opposition, demonstrating our organizational strength and the clarity of purpose. When supporters chant 2013 Dear Emerson, it is not merely a slogan, it is an expression of appreciation for the commendable achievements of the Second Republic under the leadership of His Excellency President Dr. Idi Mnangagwa. The assertion of 2013 Dear Mnangagwa should not be perceived as a threat to opposition parties. Rather, it reflects our unwavering support for our president. ZANU-PF remains steadfast in its loyalty, recognizing that no individual stands above the party. We urge opposition members to reflect on their own narratives during the 2018 and 2023 elections. We refrained from questioning the legitimacy of your claims, such as when your leader nelsonchamisa declared himself the victor. As ZANU-PF, we will continue to support President Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, confident in the governance we provide. The appropriate time for succession will be determined through formal procedures. Until then, we stand united in our support. Mnangagwa hoye, pamberi neZANU-PF. Vision 2030, up. Tomashokari yatogwa nokumana vekumabvuku akwana Scott Sakupwanya vachita aiwa zvinova zvitagwa nevana tereri isi tinokusapota President Emerson Mnangagwa nevision yavo 2030. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Penya comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.